Experiencing choppy Bluetooth audio with your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. This issue, characterized by stuttering or dropped connections with Bluetooth speakers, often stems from interference, software glitches, or codec mismatches. Interference from Wi Fi routers, especially on the 2.4 GHz band, microwaves, or other Bluetooth devices, can disrupt the signal. Software bugs within iOS 18, such as memory management issues during audio streaming, can also cause dropouts, particularly when multitasking or using features like live activities. Finally, compatibility problems between your iPhone's Bluetooth 5.3 and older speaker codecs like SBC instead of aptX or AAC can lead to compression artifacts and stuttering. Identify if the problem occurs consistently in specific locations, indicating interference, or with certain apps, suggesting a software conflict. First, reset and repair your Bluetooth connection by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This clears the Bluetooth cache and establishes a fresh connection. Next, optimize your environment by switching your Wi-Fi to the 5 GHz band or moving to a less crowded wireless space to minimize interference. Ensure your iPhone has sufficient battery and disable Bluetooth when not in use to conserve power. Also, check for iOS updates in Settings, General, Software Update, as iOS 18.1 and later versions contain Bluetooth stability improvements. If problems persist, consider using Apple's wireless diagnostics, accessed via developer mode, to log connection issues for deeper analysis. For accessory-specific issues, ensure your Bluetooth speaker's firmware is up to date. In the most severe cases, contacting Apple support or visiting a Genius Bar may be necessary for professional diagnostics.